to say one thing. You guys are the future of the world. I remember when I was a child, when I was growing up, when I was a teenager, there are so many questions that come to mind. Who here wants to be great in life? And how does greatness come? Does it come with money? Does it come with fame? What does it come with? How does it come? But the one thing that will make you great in your life, beyond money, beyond strength, beyond anything else, is your character. Know who you are. Walk your path. Know your truths. Character. That is what will make you great in whatever you do in your life. And remember that status in the world is not defined by what work you do, but by how well you do it. It doesn't matter what you do. Whatever you do it great. And that will show your character to the people around you. Be givers in life. Don't wait for people to show you love. Give love first. Trust me on this. Be contributors, and whatever you want in your life will come to you automatically. Give first.